you going? At first I was... Shut up! Come here! Ooh, they're just coming early. Don't fly away! Lost. Come here, Regan. Before we get the main part of the video started and take a look at the babies in the bird room, I just want to keep you guys up to date with other news. We've got some more box parakeet babies. We've got a pair. I'm going to try and get a picture for you or a video of the Rubino and the Pied. They've paired up and they've got 2 babies that have hatched at least. I'm going to wait till they're a little bit older to get some video because I don't want to disturb them too much, but that's great news. And let's take a look at some of the babies in the Aviary before we move on to the bird room. Where we can see the yellow female. This was on Sunday, so almost a week ago now, so I need to get some recent footage, but that's her babies. And then we can see another box. We've got 3 healthy babies in that box. And then we've got some babies in another box as well to have a look at. This is not every single box. I think I missed one box. There was 5 boxes with babies, but we're going to take a look at 4. And then the last box in the area that I looked at is a blue and white pair. Hopefully I'll be able to get some video soon of them getting their colours, and then I'll be able to show you the parents and things like that. But let's move on to the bedroom now. Hello, welcome. Hope you're okay. Welcome to this long overdue budgie breeding update. I've got some absolutely amazing, adorable babies at the moment, and I'm going to get most of them out to show you. But this one is one of my favourites at the moment. This is definitely the wife's favourite anyway. He's absolutely adorable. He's very friendly, as you can see. Let's have a closer look. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Get the zoom on him. There we go. Say hello. Say hello. And this is Mango, obviously. Say hello, Mango. Say hello to everybody. I bet they've missed you, boy, haven't they? Yep. And we've got another chick from another nest. It's just about... Well, he's been out of the nest already. Another lovely baby. Who is it, Mango? Who is it? What's he doing? Let's see if we can get them both together. I think these are the oldest 2 out of 2 different boxes. I love this time of year, it's amazing. You can see why. And there's lots more babies as well to show you. Isn't there, guys? Yeah, lots more babies. Stop eating each other. No. That's naughty. Now these 2 are, I think, brother. I'm not quite sure actually. I think this one is a boy, and I think this one is a girl. So brother and sister are up the same nest. And this one here, if I can get the focus on him. How am I going to do this? There we go. This one here is my favourite because, well, he or she, I think it might be she. She's like the one that I lost recently that I use in my intro video. So you can see it's got really, really good markings. Oh, joining each other. You want to meet together? You go up there then. Yeah, really lovely markings on the wings. Really light blue underneath and the yellow face. So, yep, when it grows up it's going to be even beautiful, aren't you? Even more beautiful. Say hello to everybody. Come on then. Come on then. yeah, these two really friendly, really friendly. To say that I don't really spend much time with them at all. Do I, guys? No, come home from work, make sure you're okay. Yeah, look at you. So anyway, these two definite keepers, aren't you? Yeah, we're gonna keep you. Yeah. So let's go back to this one. I'm pretty sure this one is a female, as you can see. Getting right stuck into my skin there. Aren't you? Yeah. You're not as nice as the other two, are you? No. You're, ow. You're going back in the box, I think. And this little fella, he's out of the one of the nest where the female, she tends to have the golden faced bluey green ones. And if this zoom will stay on you, then you'll be able to see him. There we go. He looks like he's going to be a nice little bird. Or she. I think that's a female. Are you a female? Yeah? So there's 4 in that nest. So I'm going to get a few more out in a second. You're not quite old enough to be out yet, are you? No. You're still a little baby. Here's 2 more out of the same nest. This one's got crazy colouring. I don't know if you can see properly. Lots of wriggling going on. Kind of minty green. All different kind of colour of blue. Lovely little baby. See if I can get the zoom on you. Focus. There we go. You're lovely, aren't you? You're a lovely little one. And this one is trying to climb me. A little wrigglers, aren't you? Let me put you back up with me. And this one's a lovely grey one. Yeah. Say hello. You're tiny, aren't you? Yeah. Tiny little birdie. And this one is the oldest one out of the grey female. You might remember the grey female. It took her ages to settle down and lay eggs, and she's got 4 lovely babies at the moment. So this is the oldest one. It's only about 2 weeks old, I think. You're tiny, aren't you? Come on then, let's put you back. And this is, remember Treecko? Treecko, female that almost died at one point when she was about 4 weeks old. I managed to look after her, keep her alive, and now I'm breeding her. And this is, she's got 2 babies. She's a first time parent. You've got seed all over here, look. She's a messy feeder, isn't she, Treecko? You even got, what you got on your eye, look? Let's clean that up quickly. You're on YouTube, mate. You need to clean up a little bit. Yeah. That's a little bit better. So that's the oldest one of 2 from Treecko. Lovely bird. Let's pop you back. And this one is one of 4 babies. I haven't shown you them for a while because they started having an early molt and they lost all their flight feathers. At first I was worried they were turning out to be French molt, but they're not. They just had an early. He wants to fly away. Stay, let me show you to everyone. Come on, say hello. You're on YouTube. Behave. Come on. Don't fly away. You want to fly away, don't you? But you can't. So, yeah, they lost all their flight feathers but they've grown them back. They've just had an early molt. It happens sometimes. I think brought on by different things. Mum, this was Mum's third lot, so she's having a long rest now. But yeah, you can see all the flight feathers, if I can show you. All the flight feathers are growing back, look. Yeah, sorry about that, mister. There we go. What about this one? Yeah, they're all going back. So, I was a little bit worried, but they're turning out to be okay. I'll show you some of the others in a sec. Yeah, this one was the same, but as you can see, it's going back just about all his flight feathers. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me hold you to do that. There you go. They were all going back. So they're all doing well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got about 21 lovely babies at the moment, and quite a few of them we're going to keep, aren't we? Should we keep you? What do you think? Oh, is that what you think? Yeah, you're biting me. Yeah? Who do you think you were? Eh? Who do you think you were? Nope, got you. So I hope you enjoyed this update. It's been long overdue, but I think you'll agree it's been worth the wait. So thanks a lot for watching. Take it easy and look after yourself, and see you next time. Say bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye.